Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this cute model. You can make a lot of things with this. Maybe you can use some paper yarn and use this as a belt or a handle. You can make it with macrame yarn. I used yarn art jeans. It's cotton and acrylic blend and it's a category 2 yarn. And with this one I use 3.0 millimeter hook. You can use a bigger size yarn and hooks, of course, but a slightly smaller hooks than the yarn I recommend will look better for this one. And you're gonna need some scissors, a yarn needle. That's all you will need, and I hope you like this tutorial too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. At first I want to explain you how to make these ones, how to create this thing. I'm not sure how can you use this. You can make a belt or maybe a summer hat bow with it, or a bag handle. You can use it a lot of places you want. We are gonna make these motifs one by one. Okay, I'm gonna show you two different versions. Actually, they're same to the one point. We will just add here one of them, and we are gonna make this one for just 2 times. Okay, we're gonna make 2 of these, one for the beginning, one for the end. They're same, as you can see, and we will make as long as we want for this one. If you want to make longer, you can make more motifs, and they are same, all same, but you are gonna attach them with different way, different rotation. Okay, just attach orange to orange here, just attach white to white, orange to orange, and keep going. In the end you are gonna attach this one. So it's better to finish with the white joining, and it's so easy to attach them. Actually, it's the easiest method I used ever, so don't worry about it. And we can start now. Just wrap the yarn around your finger, make a cross, insert your hook under this first strand, grab the second, make a twist, and make a chain. And so that's my little magic ring. Now insert into this ring, grab the yarn. We're gonna make a single crochet first. Yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Yarn over, we're gonna make a half double crochet. Insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all. Now we are gonna make 2 double crochets. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again pull through 2, pull through 2. and leave this loop. You can put a stitch marker here, but it will not open easily. So I'm gonna leave it this way. And take the second color. I'm gonna make a slip knot first. And I will start with a standing single crochet. Hold this loop and leave this yarn. Do not work around this, okay? Be careful about it. Insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. Now while I'm working, I'm gonna hide this tail too. Make a half double crochet and make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Just close the ring. Now I'm gonna keep going with white. You see there is 4 stitches. I'm gonna put 2 double crochets into each stitch, and I will hide this tail too. One, 2, into the next, 1 and 2. I'm gonna show you an easy way to hide this tail while you're working, a different way. It will be more secure with this way. Yarn over and yarn over this tail. Insert, grab the yarn. I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3, pull through 2. Show you one more time. Yarn over the tail, insert, grab the yarn, pull through 3, pull through 2. And into this last stitch, I'm gonna put 2 double crochets. Leave this loop. You can cut this now. Grab the first color. Now let me count. I have 12 stitches here, and I'm gonna put 2 double crochets for each of them. Just tighten your loop here. One. Sorry. We are gonna hide this tail too, so we will not worry about them later. 1, 2, into the next, 1, 2, next, 2, and I will hide this as I showed you. just put 2 double crochets into each stitch. I'm gonna make it a little faster now, but you can always slow down the video. Okay. Last 2. Leave this loop. Second color. Now we will make 22 double crochets into this next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Oops. Okay, just check it. Yes, 11. There is 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We will have 34 for here. Now, for this one and this one, it will be same till here. So you cannot do videos minutes here. Okay, you cannot it, and you will stop here. Starting from here, we're gonna make a different thing for here. Actually, we will make 6 double crochets into 3 stitches for this one, which I will show you later. And for this one, we are gonna make a different thing. I will show this one right now. Now into the next 7 stitches, we are gonna put 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you complete here, into this next stitch, you're gonna put a double crochet, only 1 double crochet. Into the next, you're gonna put a half double crochet, into the next put a single crochet, and into the next put a slip stitch. And you will cut this yarn. And that's all for here too. So you are gonna cut this one too. Now I will show you the other version. For this one, oops. Just sit, baby. That's our first time wandering around this camera. So you will learn. Just sit. We are gonna make 2 double crochets into these 3 stitches. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Then cut the yarn. I have billions of scissors, but I cannot find any of them whenever I need them. I think you know this situation. You're gonna make this one as long as you want. Then we're gonna attach them. I'm gonna show you the first one because I attached this too. You're gonna make just this. Put them together. Oops, sorry. Put them together. Insert from this next empty stitch. Just grab this one, pull it. You see? Make the same thing for here. That's all. You can make a knot. You can directly hide them, but it's better to secure them first. Oops. That's how we join all of them together. Attach the orange to orange, white to white, orange to orange. I'm gonna attach them and turn back to you. So I joined them and that's it. It looks beautiful. If you want, you can make some chains or another thing you like from here and use it as a belt, as I told you before, or a bag handle. I hope you like this tutorial too. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, it's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest, and you can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.